Hello everyone, it's Nordano. Welcome to Vegan Life. Today we'll be making buffalo cauliflower. It tastes just like chicken, but it's dairy-free, guilt-free, and it's low in fat. We'll be needing half a head of cauliflower florets, some flour, garlic powder, melted vegan butter, of course buffalo sauce, breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, and some oil spray. First thing we will be doing is that we'll be mixing the flour with the garlic powder, add in the cauliflower, mix it real good, spray with some oil spray, and mix again. Then add the coconut milk, the breadcrumbs, and again, keep on mixing. Make sure it's evenly coated. In a baking dish with parchment paper, place in your cauliflower florets. And place it in the oven, preheated oven for 125 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. So my cauliflowers are ready. Now we're gonna add some buffalo sauce, vegan melted butter. Mix it again and make sure it's evenly coated. Place it in the same baking dish, and you have to bake it for another 15 minutes and then broil it for 5 minutes. Thanks for watching Vegan Life today. I hope you'll enjoy tasty, crunchy, guilt-free buffalo cauliflower. Stay tuned for the next video.